Hi everyone, welcome to Love Vegan Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook, or we're going to cook together Yaki Udon Noodle stir fry. So I have some udon noodle over here and I got some filled vegetable that's add nutrition to the dish. So today I have some broccoli, carrot and some Mange and edamame. And I got some filled stuff that I'm gonna use to garnish with, and come to the ingredient, the sauce and stuff. I'm going to use the dark soy sauce, and this is mushroom sauce. You can use oyster sauce if you're not vegan, but we're doing vegan cooking in this channel, so we are going to use mushroom sauce. And some vegetable oil that's to do some stir fry with. So now I am going to prep everything, and then I'll go move on to the hot to do some stir fry udon noodle. So first I'm going to prep the broccoli and cut into a little small pieces, and then going to boil it in a minute, and after that you put it in the cold water to keep it green like the color. I'll show you in a minute when they're done. So this is the broccoli is done. So now we're going to prep some carrot. So I'm gonna prep the carrot as well. So just peel it, and then we're going to cut it with this knife. So we're gonna move on to the hot, and we're gonna prep this one, broccoli and carrot. This is how I'm gonna prep my broccoli for my stir fry. Just boil it for a couple minutes to make it a little bit softer. And then after you boil it for like a couple minutes, not long at all, you add, you take them out and then put the broccoli that you think that be cooked and soft, still tender. So you put it in the cold water to keep the color like fresh and green and not overcooked. So now it's cooking time. I am going to cook some carrot first before I do the udon noodle. So we need about 1 tablespoon of the vegetable oil. I cook this on like high heat. You heat the oil up in the pan, and then you just kind of saute the carrot for maybe 4 to 5 minutes until it's a little bit soft, and then you can add some noodle after. So after a few minutes of sauteing the carrot, I'm gonna put some udon noodle in the pan now. Gently stir fry, and you can add some sauce in a minute. This dish is really easy and really quick to make, so really good that if you're hungry and you want something really super quick, and I can probably cook it like in 10 minutes, and so easy to make and really yummy as well. So before I add the sauce, I'm gonna add the rest of the vegetable that I'm going to put in. So now the noodle is ready. So it's like you can see, it's quite soft now. So I'm gonna add some Mange into the pan, and you can stir fry Mange with the noodle for like a few minutes again, because Mange is really easy to cook. So now I'm going to add the dark soy sauce to add some colors. So you see the colors change, and more like delicious. With the dark soy sauce, you can put as much or as little as you like it. So I might add a tiny bit more. Quite like mine quite dark. So now I add the dark soy sauce and also going to add some mushroom sauce. So all of it, I say 2 tablespoons. And after this, I'm going to add the broccoli that I pre-cooked earlier, and then edamame already pre-cooked as well. That's why I leave it to last, so you don't really need to cook it for too long. So the carrot to cook is the longest it needs to cook, and the Mange is easy to cook as well, but I didn't pre-cook them. So now I can just add the edamame there. Just like that, and then I'm going to add some broccoli as well, so you've got a bit of green in there, so you get nutrition in your dish as well. So even though there's a stir fry, but it's already healthy, this dish. So we nearly done. It takes a couple more minutes and it should be done. So we're gonna go and serve it up in a minute. So really nice and easy to make. So everybody can make it, and this is vegan version. I didn't decide to put tofu in it today, but usually you can put like kind of tofu or like a vegan meat or meat-free mince and things like that as well. So, but today I just fancy the veggies. So time to dish up. So now I'm gonna garnish this with spring onion and the sesame seeds. So this is your Yaki Udon stir fry today. So this is the dish of the day, Yaki Udon Noodle stir fry, and this is what it looks like. So easy to make. If you like it, please do subscribe. We have the vegan dish every week on Thursday at 7 p.m. So I hope you enjoy our cooking today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching today, and please do like and subscribe. New video coming out every Thursday at 7 p.m. Bye bye for today.